Welcome to Bit Bank for all bank tests and bank promotion exams. Welcome to Bit Bank. Arihant, fast track object to arithmetic. In this video, I explain the problems from 11 to 15 in the chapter percentages. Now, the 11th question. The difference between 78% of a number and 59% of the same number is 323. So, what is 62% of that number? Okay, let the number be x. Let the number be x. And given that the difference between 78% of the number and 59% of the same number is 323. That means 78% minus 59% of the number is equal to 323. So 78 minus 59 is 19%. So 19% of x is equal to 323. Now 19%, 19 by 100 of x is equal to 323. Now I want the value of x. So if I send this 19 by 100, the other side becomes reciprocal, 100 by 19. So that implies x is equal to 323 into 100 by 19. So 19 17s are 323. So that implies x is equal to 17 into 100, 1700. We got the value of x. The number is equal to 1700. Now the question is, what is 62% of that number? So 62% of x is equal to 62% of 1700 is equal to 62% means 62 by 100 into 1700. So 0000 will be cancelled. 62 into 17, that is equal to 62 into 17 is 1054. So the number is equal to x is equal to 1054. Now 12th question. A saves 20% of his monthly salary. If his monthly expenditure is 6,000 rupees, then his monthly savings is how much? Okay, let the monthly salary of A is x. Monthly salary is equal to x. And given two conditions, A saves 20% of his salary and monthly expenditure is 6,000. Out of 100 rupees, if he is saving 20 rupees, then expenditure is 100 minus 20, 80% is the expenditure. So 80% of monthly salary, 80% of x is equal to 6,000 rupees. So 80% means 80 by 100 into x is equal to 6,000. I want the value of x. If I send this 80 by 100, the other side, right side becomes reciprocal, 100 by 80. So x is equal to 6,000 into, that implies x is equal to 6,000 into 100 by 80. That is, after simplification we get 7,500. Okay, 75 80s are 6,000. 75 into 100, 7,500. It is the monthly salary of A. We have to find out monthly savings. So 20% of monthly salary is monthly savings. His monthly salary is 7,500. So 20% of 7,500 is equal to 20 by 100 into 7,500. 0 will be cancelled. 20 into 75 is equal to 1,500. His monthly savings is 1,500. This is the answer. 13th question. A number is increased by 137.5% and the increment is 33. The number is how much? Let the number be x. Let the number is x. That number is increased by 137.5%. Half means 0.5. Increment is 33. So 137.5% of x is equal to 33. This is into, I want the value of x. 137.5 by 100. If I send this 137.5 by 100, other side becomes reciprocal. 100 divided by 137.5. So x is equal to 33 into, that implies x is equal to 33 into 100 divided by 137.5. So 0.5 means 1375 by 10. The 10 comes in the numerator. 10 into 100,000. So that is equal. That implies x is equal to 33 into 1000 divided by 1375. So after simplification, we get x value 24. Okay. So the number is equal to 24. 14th question. When 35 is subtracted from a number, it reduces to its 80% of the number. What is 4 by 5th of that number? Okay, let the number be x. So given that when 35 is subtracted from that number, that means x minus 35 is equal to, result is 80% of that number, 80% of x. X minus 35 is equal to 80% of x. So send all x related items left side and number 35 is right side. So x minus this plus 80% becomes minus, x minus 80% of x is equal to 35. Minus 35 become plus 35. So 80% means 80 by 100. X minus 80x by 100 is equal to 35. Now LCM is 100. 100x minus 80x, that is 20x. 20x by 100 is equal to 35. That is 120 is 20, 520 is 100. X by 1x by 5 is equal to 35. Now I want the value of x. If I send this 5 other side becomes multiplication. So 5 into 35. X is equal to 5 into 35, that is 175. Now we got the value of number. X is equal to 175. Now the question is, what is 4 by 5th of that number? 4 by 5th of x is equal to 4 by 5th of 175 is equal to, after simplification we get 140. 4 by 5 into 175 is equal to 140. Fifteenth question. A man loses 20% of his money. After spending 25% of the remainder, he has 480 rupees left. What is the amount of money he originally had? Solution. Let man has x rupees of money. So he loses 20% of his money. Out of 100, 20 he lost. So remaining is 80% of his money. So the remainder is 80% of x. Now after spending 25% of the remainder, he has 480 rupees left. 25% of the remainder is spent. That means remaining of the remainder is equal to 75%. You got it now? Out of 100, 25 rupees he spent. Remaining 75 is there. So 75% of the remainder is equal to 75% of 80% of x is equal to 480. 75% means 75 by 100 into 80 by 100 into x is equal to 480. I want the value of x. If I send this 75 by 100, it becomes 100 by 75. If I send it other side, right side. And if I send this 80 by 100 into right side, becomes 100 by 80. So x is equal to 480 into, that implies x is equal to 480 into 100 by 75 into 100 by 80. Okay. After simplification, 6 80s are 480. So 6 is here. 6 into 4 by 3. 2 3s are 6. So 2 into 4 into 100, 800. So that implies x is equal to 800. So the amount of money originally he had is equal to 800 rupees.